Yo guys, back to the channel, and 2025 just got a lot more exciting. Realme has teased a groundbreaking prototype, the Realme GT7, setting a new benchmark in smartphone, charging and battery technology. And this is just the beginning. Chase Xu, the president of Realme Global Marketing, hosted a 2-minute unboxing video that shows off the prototype device, introducing the Realme GT7. The Realme GT7 packs a massive 10,000 battery and features 120 watts charging, breaking all records. Imagine charging your phone from 0 to 100 in just minutes. 320 watts charging is a game changer, fast, efficient and record breaking. With this kind of technology, your phone will charge in the blink of an eye, all while maintaining a sleek design. Realme's use of silicon technology makes this possible, allowing for more power in a compact board. Plus, they've reduced the motherboard size to just 23.4mm tall, the smallest in any Android device yet. Realme has already set the bar high, but with the 320 watts charging on the Realme GT7, they're taking smartphone technology to a whole new level. What do you think about the new Realme GT7? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Until the next one, take care of yourselves and each other. See ya.